Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Greene County in east-central Georgia, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Godfrey, Oregon, 9 miles southwest of Madison, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Let me get my laptop.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Madison, Buckhead, Parks Mill, Cary, Swords, Rayswood, Godfrey, and Greshamville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KXI 89 has interrupted its normal weather programming.